my boy.
Look at these two knuckleheads.
They're like this mother.
Look at Snow and Jo. What's up, y'all? It's MC. Today, we're gonna teach you some how-to stuff. What's up, y'all? It's MC. Today, we're gonna teach you some how-to stuff. How to change a tire. Jamara, right here. She's gonna be our camera person. She don't know how we gonna teach her. She gonna be doing all the hard labor work. As you can see, I'm on crutches. But we're gonna show you how to change a tire in case, you know, like your internet doesn't work, or you're away from a phone, or your insurance, or whatever the case may be. We're gonna teach you how to change your own tire. All right. By the way, the first thing is know where your tire is. Your spare is usually in your trunk. So you know, grabbing the trunk along with your jack and all your other tools. Everything is in the trunk. But sometimes if you have like a truck or something, it might be in like underneath the truck. But she got a, what do you have, a Honda Civic?
Yep.
She has a Honda Civic, so hers was in her trunk. So for some cars, you got a key for your lug nut so that people don't steal your tire.
That's funny.
See?
So somebody will steal your tire?
Yes, they will.
So, oh, so that's to unscrew it?
Yep.
So a certain key is a certain, okay, so like a key to a door.
Oh,
So the first thing you want to do is loosen your lug nuts. So see how
righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
You see how she's struggling? So I'm gonna show her something to help her out because she's kicking it the wrong way.
Oh, Bree, that's right, huh?
Right. We're gonna pull that out real quick. We're gonna flip it.
Yeah, go. You know what she's talking about.
We're gonna flip this.
Ooh, I'm to my work pants.
So now she can step on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait.
You wanna
This
loosen
way?
it?
This
Okay,
way?
Lucy.
This is not.
Jump on it. Come on.
Come on, girl.
Oh, I was going the
There you
wrong
go.
way.
You just want to loosen it. All right, she loosened that one, then you want to loosen the rest of them.
Yep, now. So let's do it.
You see how she make
Okay,
it easy
the other
on
way,
yourself?
the other way.
And so you can just jump on it.
Woo. Hey, look here now.
Ooh, don't hurt yourself, Carla.
115.
115. See, she 115 and can change a tire, y'all.
There you go.
There you go.
Three more.
The other way, Carl. The other way. That's too far up, baby. There you go. Whew. That's bad. My whole weight up on that.
You're small.
I guess
She
men could do it
115,
easy.
and she can do this.
For men, it's easier because they're stronger, right? They just use their hands. Because every time my dad changes the
ladies.
car.
You can do whatever men can do. It's something you can do.
I'm sweating though.
A workout, huh? Burning them calories, girl.
It's good for your legs.
So usually you'd be waiting like an hour for someone to come in, maybe two. Can you get this done in like 30 seconds? There you go.
That was the last one? Okay, what's next, Sizzle?
Next, we're gonna get her jack, and we're gonna raise up her car. So the big part is the platform part. That goes on the ground.
So MC, where do we put it? MC, where do we put it?
So you put that part, usually on cars there's a little square underneath. You see
It's a
it?
little circle on.
Yeah. Or you can just put it together. push, you gotta tighten up. Now she gotta use her muscles.
I'm choked up. Okay, she's still tightening, you guys. So we're gonna go over here. Family time.
Here's another trick. I just want her to do it. Hard for a while. Another trick. I'm upset with you. Really?
I'm so upset.
Oh my gosh, she let you work all that time doing that
I'm so upset.
and then tell you the trick. So, did you see that, you guys?
Oh, this is so much easier. Thanks.
So much easier. Look at this person right here.
I'm so upset.
Just the mechanic for you, you guys.
Look, now she raising up full speed.
Alright, you messed up, Lucy.
Almost there. Alright, you're good. So to test if you're good, you just rotate your tire. If it rotates
Ooh,
freely,
wheel spinning. Hey,
you're good.
hey.
So now she wants to take off those lug nuts with the same tool she was using.
I'll tighten it up.
Y'all, if you're gonna change your tire, you cannot mind your hands getting dirty.
Take it all around.
Yep. And by here, you can start using your fingers to take them off. They should be fairly loose.
Let me lose them, boy.
If you don't want to lose your lug nuts, maybe have a bowl or a cup to put them in.
Let's see which one it works. Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah, alright, take the tire off.
Nice.
You put your spare on. So when you put your spare on, you want the one with the more space. We're just making it simple. The side with more space wants to go inside.
Inside.
Put that spare on. And then you want to start throwing those lug nuts on. You don't want to tighten them, just finger tighten them.
Oh, I feel like I'm working hard over here.
I'm joking.
Hands getting all dirty. Yeah.
See, you have to wait for insurance. Insurance probably wasn't here yet.
Oh no, it's gonna take forever. I was on the side of the road once. I was so upset.
Over an hour. Over an hour.
And this takes about what?
20 minutes. Alright, once she finger tightens them, she wants to drop it down. Now hopefully she'll use the same technique I taught her raising. See, and her clothes ain't even dirty, just her hands. She gotta wash her hands, and besides, that's sanitizer. She's pretty good, pretty solid. It's loose enough she can just pull it out, and then she just tying her lug nuts.
Say head to the camera, Deacon.
It's called roadside assistance.
That takes like an hour or two.
It's called roadside assistance.
Excuse me.
Hey, and on the next podcast, we're going
This is not a podcast. It is a video. A podcast is
on
like
the
a
next
radio.
video, we're going to teach y'all how to cut the grass. All right. So next week, prepare to cut the grass.
But last but not least, especially if you're small like me and Snow, you want to make sure it's extra tight. You want to put it back on. And then you just want to step on it like we did originally. Put that extra little tightness. But that's how you change a tire, yo. Give a hand to Snow. She changed her own tire, got a spare on it and everything. Jamira, awesome for the camera. Hey y'all, hope you were impacted by the video 2 different ways. 1, you learned how to change a tire, and or 2, you were smiling and laughing through the video, because smiling and laughing is contagious and it helps brighten people's days. Hey, please leave a comment, like, or subscribe. Leave me some feedback, make me a better content creator, because I definitely appreciate it. I appreciate y'all watching this video, and I'll catch y'all next time. Yeet!